Alright, so in the last lecture we left off where we talked about the dot children, the dot descendants, and then the dot contents. So there's a few more concepts that again I want to talk about. It won't take too much of your time, okay? So the first one is going to be our dot string function, okay? So the dot string function basically says that, hey, if you have a tag and the tag's only child is text, then the dot string function is going to return you whatever text is there, okay? So let's go ahead and again we're using the same example. So to make things clear, let me create the head tag again. Head tag is equal to soup.head, okay? And we know that head tag dot title, does that return us anything? Yes. The head tag dot title is this, the dormouse's story, okay? I mean in the title text. So if we say head tag dot title dot string, we get the dormouse's story. Basically what I'm trying to say is if you have a tag, okay, and the tag's child, okay, we've talked about the child in the previous lecture. If the tag's child is this text, then the dot string function will return you whatever text is inside of the tag. Now another key thing you want to know. If we print out the head tag right now, we get head title, the dormouse's story slash title slash head, right? Now another thing that works with the dot string function is that if you have a tag and the tag's child is another tag and then that tag's child is text, then the parent tag, which is our head, that's dot string is going to return you this. Again, it's a bit confusing. With practice, you'll slowly understand. But basically, if you say head tag dot string, you get the dormouse's story. The reason for that is because the head's only child is title, and the title's only child is the text. So basically, the heads can correlate to the dormouse's story, and by calling head tag dot string, you get the dormouse's story. Okay, so this was the dot string function. And quickly, let's go ahead and talk about the dot parent function. The way the dot parent function works is it goes one up instead of going one down. For example, if I say head tag dot title dot parent, I get the whole thing, right? If I say head tag dot parent, I'm gonna get what was before the head. If I say soup dot parent, I don't really get anything. That's fine. If I say beautiful soup dot parent, do I get something over here? No, you can't really call parent on beautiful soup. So the way the parent function works is instead of going one down, instead of drilling down, you're going up. So let's say I was at the dormouse's story, right? How are we getting the dormouse's story? Head, or actually, you know what? Let's just go back to head tag dot string. Now if I call parent over here, I get whatever was before the dormouse's story. So we knew the text was head tag dot string. What was before head tag dot string? It was the title tags. So again, a short lecture. I covered two concepts here. The dot string. The dot string again returns you the text if it's, you know, right there or if it's one tag ahead. And the dot parent where instead of going down, you're moving up. So you can basically see, hey, where was this tag inside of? Again, some pretty interesting concepts, and I'll see you in the next lecture.